Hi, my name is Sidra Qureshi. I am a neuroscientist and the founder of Neuroshine Academy. In today's Brain Break, we are going to look at how you can live life on your terms, how you can live life by your DNA. After all, we only live once. So it's really important that we have this feeling of, I'm living my best life. I'm bringing the best work into this life and I am trying my best every day, right? And I'm happy. And with happiness, I don't mean like having a big smile on your face every single day. Well, that would benefit. But obviously life has got its ups and downs. So it's more about having meaning and fulfillment in your life. Today, we're going to look at how you can live life by your DNA. And it's all about living a life where you're accomplishing your big dreams, where you feel that you're living life on your terms and not on anybody else's terms. The three elements you need are D, M, and A. Most people will have maybe one of the elements right or two of the elements right, but never all three of the elements right. If they have all three of the elements right, then they are definitely going to accomplish their dreams and maybe even beyond. So the most successful people will have all three elements right. Let's look into these three elements. Number one is D, dare to dream big. Dare to tap into your desires and really know your desires as well. What is it that you desire? A very simple question I ask many people is, what is it that you want in your life, right? What is it that you desire? And a lot of people actually don't know. They don't know what they really desire. What's much easier for them to answer is what they don't want in their life and what's making their life miserable. So it takes some time, especially if you haven't done if you haven't taken out time for self-reflection, then it takes some time to really tap into your desires. And then to do something about that, you need to dare. You really need to dare to be different. One of the human needs is, the need of being connected, being part of a community. So if you feel like that your desires and your dreams are different than the norm, then it will be more difficult, and you really need to be courageous in order for you to achieve that. So that's the very first element, is to dare to dream and desire. Number two is neuroexcitable action taking. What do you mean by that? I mean, it's important to take action. You need to take action. You need to do something in order for you to achieve those big goals and dreams that you've set. There are many people who like to make, or some people who like to make vision boards and, who are dreamers and visionaries and really have these big goals and dreams. But then when it comes to action taking, not much is really happening. They might believe in law of attraction, which is not a bad thing, again, to set that big dream, and that's one of the elements that's needed, but you need to take action as well. You need to do something about that. And it's important that the action that you take is aligned with you, with your DNA, with your life, with what you want. So many times you might have a role model, somebody who's done this before, so we get a map and we try to take action after that. The second element you need is neuroexcitable action taking. Very, very important that action is taken. And it's not just any kind of action, it's action that makes your neurons excited. So by that I mean both in literally excited, because neurons gets excited when they are activated. So you need to activate the right parts of your brain in order for you to succeed. So that's one thing. And then metaphorically, you need to excite your neurons as well. You need to be excited about accomplishing this goal, and you need to be excited about the small wins and successes along the way to keep yourself motivated. Highly, highly important that you're taking this neuroexcitable action. Number 3, and this is actually what most people lack. Number 3 is the A element, which stands for assessment. You need to assess, first of all, where you are, your starting point. And then, of course, where you're going. That was the big dream, the big vision that you set yourself. And then you need to keep assessing. How is it going in order for you to course correct? And especially if you've got the map from somebody else, from a role model, it might look very much different in your life. Or it could even be that you've set a dream, a big goal that nobody else has ever achieved, and you're trying to figure out like how to get there. So you need to keep assessing and course correct. Very important to have this last element with you. So remember, you need 3 elements. You need dare to dream big and really tap into your desires. You need to take N, a neuroexcitable action, and the A element, you need to keep assessing and course correct along the way. And when you have all 3 elements right, you can accomplish any goal, any big dream in your life and beyond. I really would encourage you to take this, implement this as soon as possible, and would love to hear from you. If you like this video, share it as well with people, and yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know how it went. So now I want you to go out there and live your big, bold, and blissful life. Live life by your DNA. I will see you again in my next brain break.